So you just got to your camping area. It's absolutely chucking down with rain, a bit of a wind coming, and you want to get your camp set up as quick as possible. First thing you want to do, have a look for window makers, make sure everything's all okay, nothing's going to fall on you during the night. Make sure your surroundings nice and clear. I've got a nice big opening here, absolutely huge. So more than enough room to get my camp sorted for the night. So first thing first, let's get the tarp up. So, apart from being in the top of my bag, first thing comes over in my bag, my first aid kit, always in the top of my bag. Next thing you'll come up to, dry bag, compression dry bag, roll top, and this is my tarp. As soon as you open it, the ridge line is there straight away, one for one end and one for the other end. So let's get them tied up. So come to our first tree, nice and thick, perfect for a ridge line, maybe not for a hammock, but just for this purpose I'm going to show you, just for the ridge line. So got our tag line for our ridge end, our ridge line. There we go. So what you do is you have a working line in one end and you have a tag line in the other end. What you do is you wrap it around the tree. This is the Siberian hitch, and all we do is lay it flat in our hand like this, and with our tag end we'll go over the top of our hand, around the back and back over the top again, just like that. With the and then what you're doing is you're holding both of your lines now in this hand to the side here, and then what we do is with your left hand you drop your palm and you bring it under and twist it round and over the top like that. Look, so what you do is twist it down, round and over the top, and once you've done that with your tag line you then grab it with those fingers. Right hand, grab your working line and literally just pull those like that. Pull your working line, perfect knot there, absolutely brilliant. Slips right around the tree, giving you a real good bite on it. This here, this is line to pull it tight, to pull it out, sorry, like that. Done. So let's do that again. So you get your tag line, go around the tree, over the top of the palm of your hand, both of them. Tag line round the back and over again. Hold it with this hand, drop your left hand down, over the top, grab your tag line, give it a pull, working line, tighten, just like that. Now that, absolutely brilliant. If you want to, you could put a piece of wood in there, pull it nice and tight, and that's not going to slip through during the night, but I know for a fact this is tight as hell and it's going to be brilliant knot for this. So now we've got that tag line on there, what we're going to do is we're going to take the other one, and this one is going to go onto the opposite side. So now we're going to show you what I use for making this such a quick and easy way to put a tarp up with only using 2 knots. So for this side, I'm going to come in at the tree, wherever you want, however height, whatever height you want. So I'm going to do it here just to show you, and then I'll get it done. So what I've got on this side, I've got my other tag end, give it a quick pull and it'll release. And the other thing what I'm going to use on this side is this, which is a Niteize quick block. This is absolutely brilliant. It weighs next to nothing and it can carry up to 280 pounds. So if you can see that on there, there we go. This is absolutely brilliant. It's got a locking cam here. So what happens is my ridge line is going to go around the tree, and this is going to clip onto an Alpine butterfly knot, which I'll show you, and it's going to come back through here and it's going to tighten and it's going to pull it nice and tight, and I'll show you that now. So I'm just going to gather some excess up, so I don't need all of it. There we go. So now I'm going to put a knot in here, and it's called the Alpine butterfly knot. So the knot we're going to do is get your working line in the palm of your hand. Then you're going to get your tag line again. You're going to wrap it around the back of the fingers, and you're going to take it back again, but this time you're going to come back through the middle of them both like that. Yep. So I'll show you that again. So you're going to go over the palm of your hand, round the back, over your fingers, round the back again, through the middle like that. Then what we're going to do is we're going to get this line here, give it a bit of excess, we're going to pass it over the top, round the back of both of them like so. And what we're going to do is we're just going to pull it like this, and that's going to give us a nice loop in our line. This is a nice, quick, easy knot, and it also releases really quick. So all we do is we'll just slide the two ends down, and that's it. You can pull that through like that. Come. So we'll do that again. Over the palm of your hand, over the fingers, in between them both. Grab your finger line, round the back of both of them, and then give it a pull like that. And that's our line. So then what we're going to do is I'm going to show you now how I'm going to use this the cam lock. So the cam lock, we've got our Alpine butterfly out here. The cam lock, what we're going to do is going to put it through there like that, and that's going to sit this end towards the tree. Then what we'll do is we'll get our working line, we're going to put it around the tree like so. Like this. And then what we'll do is we're going to pass the tag end line through the hole. This is already set up every time I use it, so this is just for your purposes. I've took it all apart. Let's just get this line out. So my tag end goes through there, like that. Now that goes through the cam lock. If I can show you that. Through that cam lock, and that is in place. And all we do, pull this, and it just tensions our line out for us. So, showing you the siberian hitch. I've also shown you the Alpine butterfly knot with the Niteize quick lock cam. So this is all on now. You can see I've got quite a lot of slack here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my tag line with my cam lock, and all I'm going to do is just pull it, and that is going to tension it nice and tight. That's locked into place, as you can see, absolutely tight as hell. And all we've got is we've got our tarp here. Pull that out. Bring over the push it loops. And that's it. All we do then, take our guy lines out, and then what we'll do is we'll peg them into place where we need them. So nice, quick, simple, easy with the Niteize cam lock. Absolutely brilliant. Goes up really quick. In fact, I might just show you how quick I can put it up without having to stop and do all of the videoing and everything. And you'll see how quick I can do it in. So yeah, let's have a go. So I hope you found that video a little bit interesting. I hope you've learned 2 knots today. Hopefully I hope you like the look of the Niteize cam lock. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you in real time how it's all packed up, and how I deploy it, how I do the knots, how quick it can go up. So let's see if I can do this. So here we go. As always, come to my bag, first aid kit, next thing, a tarp. go. How quick was that? Without me gibbering, looking at under a minute. That's Siberian hitch on that side, and that's the Alpine butterfly knot with the Niteize quick lock. And yeah, my two Prusik nuts on the end of my tarp here. Got one on this side, there's a nice little, really little metal clip, and one on that side as well. Slides out, the other one will tension the other one as the other ones come on. But yeah, nice and easy. John Bow, I hope you like that. I said I'd do a video for you just to see what you think. Obviously it needs pegging out, but I'm not staying here for too long. I'm just showing you a quick setup of how I do mine. I'll at the end of the video I'll leave two videos, well, two shots of the knots what I do. I'll do them again in slow time, and yeah, go from there. But I hope you liked it. More videos coming soon, especially with the modded lavos. I'll be doing those soon. And yeah, I appreciate everyone's feedback. I appreciate everyone's like and shares what they're doing, and you know, I can't thank you enough. It's absolutely getting brilliant. I'm absolutely loving talking to everyone, chatting to everyone, and yeah, been brilliant. So thank you, and see you soon. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that video. Literally just a nice quick one, how to set up your tarp line, ridge line with the Niteize quick cam. So what I'm going to show you now is I'm going to show you the knots again. I'm going to show you in a bit slower. So what we can do is you can have a practice, let me know what you think. So what we'll do is we've got our tag line here. Get our tag line in the right hand, our working line in the left. This one is a Siberian hitch. So we'll go around the tree and we'll come back like that. Literally around the tree like this. And then all we'll do is we'll put working line over our left, tag line over our left, fingers go around the back of the fingers, over the top again, and then what we'll do is we'll grab both of them with our right hand. Let go with your left, drop your right hand down, bring it under your working line, point your fingers up to the sky like that, over the top with your tag line, pull it through that loop like that. That's it, that's how it should come up. Just like that. Yep. Give that pull, and then with your working line, pull it, and it'll tighten itself as it goes there like that. Nice and tight. Absolutely brilliant. And then if you want to, like I said before, if you wanted to, you could put a toggle in there, pull it like that, pull that, and that's not going to slip out at all, no matter how much you pull on it. It's not coming out. So, and then if you want to take it, once you want to take it out, pull your toggle up, take a piece of wood out, pull your tag line, done. Siberian hitch. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to do the Alpine butterfly knot. So this is a biting knot, but it's actually something I learned when I was doing rope access, and basically it's just to put a loop in your line, so you can still use your working line. And what that creates is a bite in the line, but it's not a knot, it's actually a bite. So what happens is when it's tensioned, when it's under tension, you've still got the strength there in the line than what it was. So if I was to tie an overhand knot like this, it'd create a weaker line, because it's biting on itself. Whereas if you do the Alpine butterfly knot, which I'll show you now, what happens is you put in the loop in the line, but the way it's tied is it basically gives you the strength all the way through. It's hard to explain to and you know, without going into technical details. So what we'll do is the Alpine butterfly knot now. So this goes wherever you want it on your line. Where once you get to know where your line needs to be, your ridge line, then that's where you'll put it. I keep mine in the same spot all the time because I know what kind of size distance I need from the trees. If I need to, it's quick release and I can always do it again. So here we go, Alpine butterfly knot. So you've got your tag line, working line. Your working line goes over the palm of your hand. Your tag line comes around the back and over the top of your fingers. So when you turn it round, it's just crossed over like that. Cross over your fingers. And then what you do is you bring it back round, but you bring it back through the middle of them both, like that. So you've got your working line, tag line over your fingers, around the back, and it comes, there we go, up. So it comes over the back, crosses over the back, through the middle. Once you've done that, get the line over your fingers, give it a little bit of slack, go over the top of them, tuck it round the first one, tuck it round the back one, pull your hand out and then give that a pull, like so, and then you've got your Alpine butterfly knot there. Brilliant. Use this loads and loads of times, especially in rope access when I want to give myself a decent working position. Tag this in my tag line, in one of my working lines. That's coming down there like that, and I can carabiner onto this no problem. And when you want to undo it, you basically, these two here, you open them like a book. That's it. Done. So again, get your tag line in your right hand, working line in your left, over the palm, round the back, over the fingers, round the back, through the middle, line over the fingers, go over the top, round the back of one, round the back of two, pull it tight, Alpine butterfly knot. Brilliant. And once you get used to it, take it out. Once you get used to it, doing it, done. Absolutely brilliant knot. And it's quick release. I wouldn't say it's quick release, but it doesn't go under that much tension that you have to put your nails in it, you don't have to put your teeth into it and everything like that. So, but yeah, I'm going to taffled up there now. So there we go. Oh, this is what I'm using as well. I got this from Henge Hammocks. It's am steel. I've spliced this myself. One in this end, got one in the other end. Absolutely brilliant. Recommend anyone who's going to use a ridgeline to get this. Also, it does the guy lines as well in a 1.2mm, I believe it is. This is 4mm am steel. I think it's 8 strand. Absolutely brilliant, solid stuff. But yeah, hope you've enjoyed the video. Cheers, guys.